What's up, guys? Rich here with Leighton Sports Cards, ripping a box of 2013-14 Panini National Treasures Hockey. This is for Doris H. Good luck, Doris. Let's see what you got. What's up, Joe? How you doing, man? Good luck, Doris. Let's see what you got. Sergei Bobrovsky to 199. Redemption. Rookie Treasures patch of Jared Tenorti. Redemption. And a booklet, 86 of 99, Mike Modano. That is a jumbo jersey book. Very nice. Mike Modano. Shame it doesn't have any ink. After that, nice hit. That's a silver ink autographed jersey rookie. 44 of 50, Ali Mata. Nice hit with the silver ink on there. That's cool. Nice hit for Doris. After that, timeline jersey, 60 of 99, Shea Weber. After that, dual jersey card, numbered 17 of 99, Patrick Waugh, Felix the Cat Potvin. After that, what the heck is this? That's a piece of skate, maybe? It's numbered 4 of 19, numbered to his jersey number, Joe Sakic. Some kind of skate patch or glove patch. That's cool. After that, Retro Phenoms autograph patch of Craig Smith. Craig Smith. Ooh, and a boom here. Rookie autograph jersey numbered 6 of 50, Sean Monahan. Nice hit. Congrats, Doris. Guy is selling really well. Sean Monahan, nice hit. Auto patch 6 of 50. Very nice hit for Doris. And another nice hit after that. Wow. Triple Mem autograph of the one and only Gordie Howe. Boom. Man, back-to-back sick hits. Really made this box outstanding, the last 2 hits. Gordie Howe auto Triple Mem. Back-to-back booms. It's not numbered, still a nice Gordie Howe. And printing plates, we got a 1-of-1 Kari Lehtonen from Crown Royale this year. And a 1-of-1 Tyler Myers from this year's Prism. That'll do it. Congrats, Doris. Couple really nice hits in there. We'll get those right out to you. Thank you.